The Three Little Kittens, The Three Stooges, The Three Musketeers. Have you ever noticed how many stories use the power of three? And it's not just stories. Most speeches get better when you use the power of three. That's because the power of three uses repetition and rhythm to create a sense of completeness and satisfaction. It works by presenting three elements that are related in some way, such as by structure or content. The first element sets up the expectation. The second element reinforces it. And the third element delivers the payoff or the twist. You probably already know this intuitively. After all, stories have a three-part structure: beginning, middle, and end. So when you're designing your next presentation, try structuring it around three key points or three messages. You can even use the three-point structure in your phrasing. That's because the three-point structure simplifies your content, makes it more memorable, and keeps your audience engaged. See how that works? Practice the power of three by reorganizing one of your past presentations, or try creating a new one with three clear messages or three phrases.